Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today was supposed to be a Boxy Luxe unboxing video. Turns out I only got 5 out of the 9 products I was supposed to get. And so that's a no. But what did come in today is the Kathleenlights in Colourpop collab 40 shade palette called So Jaded. So it's based off of gems, obviously. Mine did come broken a couple of shades, but I reached out to Colourpop and hopefully they will fix that. But here they are, all 40 shades. If you would like to see them swatched, I would watch Kathleen's video because I don't have the time to swatch them. But I'm going in the direction for a look today of the blues and the greens, sort of incorporating like this section. And so if you would like to see me do this look using this palette, then just keep watching. If you have not subscribed and you seem to like me and my content, then subscribe. I do film in different areas of my house, therefore lighting is different. So yes, I know all about lighting and that mine is not perfect. So yeah, let's get started. I think what I'm going to do is take a fluffy brush like this, and I have powder under my eye to catch any fallout because I don't know how this performs, but they all look very, very beautiful. I would like to go into rose quartz here, and there's a lot of kick up in here, but I don't mind that. But if it's something that bothers you, you know, there's a lot. This retails for $39. Right now, I guess it's out of stock. When I bought it, it was within minutes of her video. I did not know it was going to go out of stock. I thought it would be, you know, kind of like the Jaclyn Hill collection and it would sell out in minutes and nobody would have like a wait time or reserve time or whatever and the system would crash. So that's actually really, really cool. So that is a nice shade. I'm going to go into Citrine and just pack that on in the crease a little bit below. I'm going to mesh that with the color we just used. This is a beautiful shade. It's deeper than a mustard and it's brighter than a mustard. It's like right in between. So those shades are blended out. I think I'm going to go into turquoise right here and blend that starting. Wow, that's very pigmented. I want to put that right in the crease, not too far in and not too far out. So just like right here. Just keep that right there and we'll blend that in a second. Blend that out. When you have a pigmented shade like this, don't put any more product. It will spread itself. So you see how that just spread all the way from inner to outer corner. This is going to give us a very diffused look and I'm going to roll it upward. This is really mind-blowing. I love this palette so far. Really great shades. I knew Kathleen would kill it. She is a rock star and I love this palette so far. On a pencil brush, I'm going to be taking Stoned right here. And I'm going to place that on the outer corner. Right about into less than a third of the way in. I just really want to focus this right in this outer V area. Just build that up in intensity. On a flat brush, mine is a MAC brush. I'm going to be taking Sapphire here. This is a nice matte and it's very pigmented. So I'm going to tap off the extra and I'm going to start putting that right on this half of the lid. Really packing that on. You only need a little bit of this. Just packing, not swiping at all. When doing that step, I feel like we lost a lot of citrine, so I'm going back into that shade and I'm going to bring it just above those other colors I have going on. But the color payoff is intense in this palette. So beautiful. Then I'm going to take another packing brush. This is another MAC brush, and I'm going to go into Peridot right here. This looks really promising. I'm going to focus that right here. Wow, on my inner third. That's gorgeous. And that's dry. I really think this is worth it. It's $39 for 40 shades. That's under $1 or under 1 cent per shadow. So what I'm going to do now is going to be taking Aquamarine on my finger. I'm going to place that right here, meshing those two shades together, and also going over the matte part of the blue that we placed down earlier. So far, I think this looks pretty good. Just laying that down. Wow, so gorgeous. Over top of that, I want to take a little bit of opal. I'm just going to kind of tap that over everything. That's gorgeous. Now, I think I need a little bit more. I just put some sapphire over this. And then I think I lost a little bit of Peridot. So we're going to have to pack that in again. But that's okay. It's all about layering. Taking your time and layering. That's what's cool about makeup. It's just for fun, experimenting, you know, creating a look. I like this look a lot. These are really pigmented. I'm going to do the same thing on my lower lash line, so I'm not going to really show that. I'll show you the finished look with lashes and everything. Okay, that's good. I'm going to take this pencil brush here from Shop Miss A. It's the E142, and I'm going to take Diamond. I'm going to place that on the inner corner. Maybe that works better with a finger. I'm actually going to just tap that in here. Yeah, I don't know. There it is. I'm going to pop a little bit over that Peridot shade. And add that to the inner corner. That's really nice. And there you have it. This is the final look that I did with the Kathleenlights X Colourpop Jaded palette. I hope you guys love it. What do you guys think? Will you replicate this look? Do you love it? Are you going to pick this palette up? I think it's reasonably priced. Everything went really smooth other than the kick up, which tons of palettes have kick up. But I love, love, love this look, and I hope you do too. And I thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.